One more useful topic, that is nothing but a inserting a chart into your presentation. How can we insert a chart? We'll take one more slide, new slide. Okay, then I would like to insert a chart in this particular slide. How to insert a chart? We have to go to insert chart. Here two way we can insert a chart. One is directly we can construct a chart here itself in a presentation itself, or we can go with the from sheets. First we'll try with the inserting a chart here itself. You can select bar chart, column, or pie chart, or line chart. Which one suitable for you, that particular chart you can select. For example, here we'll select a pie chart. Pie chart has been loaded, but here predefined data has been already loaded. If you like to change the data, it is not team 1, team 2, team 3, like if you like to say that product and profit. Okay, then how to change it, how to change this one? We have to go to here. Once you selected that particular chart, here one arrow mark you are able to see. Okay, there click on that and say open source. Select, click on that arrow mark and say open source. Google Sheets will be open where it is generated a chart. Okay, and you will be having a data related to the chart. Here what I will do, I will change it to a product. For example, two product we have been considered, that is nothing but mobile and laptop. I will delete these two values. I don't want these two. Okay, and we'll delete a reading related to that one also. And mobile profit is a 24,000. We'll take it as a 28,000. Like this we can rewrite, so that once you have been done, whatever the modification you have been done, it will, you have to update here in your Google slide. You have to come and you have to say update, so that whatever the modification done in this particular chart, automatically it will be updated in your presentation also. For example, if you say that here 48,000 you have been changed. Okay, if you like to update that one, we have to select that. It will take little bit of time to update. Okay, so once it is updated, it will be reflect here. Okay, it will be reflecting here. You can say here update. By that it will start updating that particular values. Okay, it will take 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, this is a way we can insert a chart. This is a one way of inserting a chart. Other way of inserting a chart is go to insert chart. If you already created a chart in Google Sheets, okay, already you have been created the charts in a Google Sheet, then we can use that one from sheets. Select from which sheet you like to retrieve that. We are created in a demo account. Then select, it will process. If there is a so many charts are there, all charts will be shown here. Only one chart we have been inserted. We'll select that particular chart. We'll say import. Okay, it will be shown here. You can resize similarly as how you are resizing for the images. Okay, we can resize and we can keep here. Whatever the updates you are doing in a Google Sheet, it will be reflected here. We have to update here. Update option will come. You have to click on that to update whatever the changes you have been done in a data.